The Actions feature allows you to identify, track, and complete tasks as a team. In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at how to create actions within inspections. Please note that actions you create within inspections are only visible to action assignees and people who have access to those inspections. To create an action within an inspection, start an inspection either from the dashboard page or the templates page. Perform the inspection accordingly. And when you need to create an action, click Action on the relevant question's lower right. In the text field, type in the action title. This should be short and sharp to point out what needs to be done. Now, click Create or press Enter on your keyboard to create the action. This then opens a side panel showing you the action's activity screen. On the activity screen, you can see the context from the inspection and provide additional information by commenting or attaching media files. If required, you can also update the action's details, such as the description and the due date. And of course, who will be completing it. To help you track changes that take place in the action, the activity screen logs each update with timestamps in a conversational style. Once you're ready to move on, click the cross on the top of the side panel to continue the inspection. And that's how you create actions within inspections via the web app.